Hi there, Justin Terhune here with Inaba Denko America, and thank you for tuning in for another tips and tricks video. Now, today's video is going to be about options, right? In our industry, giving the consumer, the customer options has grown more and more popular. A, because people do love options, and B, because there's typically more than one way to tackle a project out there. So what I want to do is look at the different colors that are available, give you some scenarios, and maybe you'll be able to give your customer different options and look at the Slimduct line covering system a little bit differently. So we'll go ahead and dive right in. I'll start with ivory. This is the one that I call the original line covering system, the original Slimduct. And this looks good, obviously, on any ivory home, whether it's painted ivory, whether it's ivory siding. This blends in really well and even matches a lot of the finished coats on the ductless units that you're installing. Okay, if you're Mitsubishi, LG, Daikin, doesn't matter. These actually match the unit very well. Also, if you have an application, maybe a server room, a light commercial job where you can use the Slimduct, it actually blends very well with that environment. Helps add value and maintain the building's value while protecting that investment. Looks really good on those light commercial jobs. The next one we'll look at is the SD White, probably our most popular. If I had to guess, I would say it's probably because most of the window trim, a lot of the downspouts are white, and from the road this blends in really well. It's very sleek, very clean appearance, and this will get you at, making most installs look really, really well. It just accents nicely on most homes. So if you're not sure which color to go with, white is typically your best bet. The next one we have is brown. This has grown quite popular. Obviously, this looks really good on brown homes with brown trim. Looks great on wooden homes, log cabins. It is a beautiful aesthetic finish for those type of applications. But here in Northeast region, I can speak specifically to when you've got a brick home, any color brick, and brown trim, brown window trim, brown downspouts, brown doors. This is what you'll want to go with. It just looks phenomenal. Obviously, we know there's a small cost difference between, say, the ivory and the brown, but again, it's about giving the consumer the options, okay? So if you haven't used brown yet, look for an application to use this because it looks phenomenal in the right area, okay? And then lastly, we have our newest addition, and that is our SD Black. Now this is taking the market by storm. It's popular in a lot of other areas, but the European style homes and the country style homes that are all white or all gray and they've got all black trim or stone and earth colors with black downspouts, this is your go-to. This is what's going to finish the product the best. It looks absolutely phenomenal. And the same thing even with brick, okay? Light grout, dark grout, doesn't matter. If those downspouts and those windows have black trim, the SD Black is the one that this is your best bet. It's gonna be absolutely beautiful, okay? So keep that in mind. You're giving the customer options on efficiency, different applications. I encourage you to do the same. If you're getting your Slimduct, wherever you're getting it, if you're usually buying white, they have access to black, brown, ivory. It's all available, all four sizes, 3-inch, 4-inch, 5 5/8, and all the fittings are the same, okay? So I hope you found the video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. And as always, follow us on LinkedIn and Instagram. We love to communicate with you guys. And check out the full product offering at inabadenko-america.com. We'll see you next time.